Today we got a video from Crime Time Cam, and the title of the video is Airport Shoplifter Pulls Race Card Over Arrest, Fails Miserably.
On December 20th, 2021, officers responded to a call of a potential shoplifter at the airport.
What happened in the store over there by Dunkin' Donuts?
Go ahead.
The store over there by Dunkin' Donuts?
Alpha 14, can you show me at 7151 University Boulevard and 99 Foxtrot?
She chased me and she said she was going to call you.
Right, but then you end up coming back and giving back the shoes, right?
No.
Okay, so I'm trying to work with you here. Do I need to go pull the tapes where it shows you bringing the shoes back? Because they have cameras there.
You don't need to pull the tape.
But what I'm saying is that they said you took the shoes, you put them in the bag, you walked over with it.
Yeah, she chased me outside.
Right, and then
she was making a scene, so I went back in there and put them back. Yes, that's correct.
Okay.
Because I
Get
don't
me inside
have...
this trespass.
283. Can we get landside 51 for trespass? We're right in the middle by the fish tank.
Then also possibly all the other stuff for under is 56, but they got their shoes back. Their management says they don't want to do anything. But she's already caused a scene 2 or 3 times at Dunkin' Donuts.
We'll be able to ID, and then if they call back, and then we'll just write warrants.
Yeah.
So.
Gotcha. Right, but you've already stolen from one store. How are you supposed to know you didn't steal from another one?
And the other concern is that you're saying you have no money, and you need people to mire.
I spoke to my daughter. She's gonna send me some money because I don't have
money now, so it doesn't make sense how you buy clothes if you have no money. That's what I'm saying.
I had money earlier. I had $400 on my card and I had $500 on my other card. So that's how I bought
So
on
you spent $900?
Look, my family got money, and I can't buy shit. We sold my mother's brown stuff for $1.3 million. I had $100,000. What you think I'm gonna take it?
Where's your receipt for the clothes?
But what are you concerned about that? The issue
They
is
don't
this.
belong to you. They belong to the store.
That's your issue. You came to get me for the shit with the lady. So
And
do
what
me a
I'm telling
favor.
you is that I know
Do
that
me
you
a
get
favor.
paid.
Do me a favor. I ain't come here for this, and I don't have to explain shit to you. I'm dealing with the issue with the lady.
What we'll do is we'll go to the store and we'll see if they want to press charges, and we'll go from there. Then you end up going to jail. So I'm just trying to.
I'm not trying to go to no jail. I'm trying to go home. I've been here too long.
Hey.
I'm exhausted, okay? I'm tired of Florida. I don't live here and I ain't coming back.
Keep it up. You're borderline disorderly conduct, and I'll just arrest you for that. Okay? We're trying to resolve this.
Well, I'm trying to talk to him. You with me for one thing, and he coming with me is with some other shit. I'm trying to get home. I have a doctor's appointment, and I have to.
Yeah.
You gonna arrest me? I have a doctor's appointment, and I have to.
Ma'am, you're now under arrest. Place your hands behind your back.
You know what? This don't make no sense. What more y'all gonna do to me?
Ma'am, place your hands.
You know
behind
what?
your
You
back.
see how bad my look is?
Come airport
Why
for
you
you.
gonna hurt my arm like that? Take my bag right here. Take my bag. You can have all that
283,
stuff. Take my bag. Take my bag, because he don't know if I got the receipt on me or not.
Temporary disorderly conduct.
You know what?
Stay right there. Ma'am, don't get up, please. Thank you.
Get your hands off of me. I'm going to sit here. I don't believe you racist motherfucking bastards.
Ma'am, race has nothing to
You racist motherfucker. If I was white, you would have let me go ahead. Out of here, you're racist.
That's the best you can do.
That's the best you can do?
That's the best you can do.
You just want to with me because I'm black.
Come on, come on. We can't do the race thing. Not in this situation. We can't do it. We can't do it. Take accountability for your actions, man. You got caught stealing, and now you yelling and raising your voice to a point to where it's disturbing other people. Disorderly conduct, man. You don't know how to act in public. You stealing. You ain't got no money, but now all of a sudden you have money earlier, so you spent $900 earlier, but now you broke. Like, come on, man. Your story's not adding up. This ain't a race issue, man. It's not. Sorry, it's not. Take accountability for your actions. You stole. You got caught. You got to take that on the chin. That's it. Just take it on the chin. Everything can't be a race thing, man.
No,
I didn't
we're.
ask you to steal today. I mean, that's
So
not my
what?
fault.
This don't have nothing to do with the issue. You started with me.
I was enjoying the nice weather, and then you decided
You
to
ain't
steal.
enjoying the weather.
Stand back down. Sit back down, ma'am. We told you.
You gonna hurt me? Go ahead, hurt me. Go ahead, break my arm, break my arm.
Stop.
Break my arm. Let me sit down. Let me go. Sit down. Look, mother. Let me go, you bastard. Let me go. Let me go, mother. I'm sitting down. You white racist.
Can I get a cage car, please? Let me know where they're going to be on the curb.
You white racist son of a. You holding my arm, you son of a. You hurt me? If you hurt me, I'm suing the precinct because I'm staying still, mother. You want to hurt me? You hurting me, mother.
Office.
You don't have to grab me like that, you son of a.
To an available outside unit with a case.
Face. And pick up another charge.
We'll go to the office and deal with this. Yeah.
You holding me too hard, you racist son of a.
292, can you
Piece of guinea pig, mother. Go ahead, hurt me. Break my arm, so I'll sue you, bitch. Break my arm, mother. You holding me too tight. He's holding me.
This ad is presented by yours truly. I just want to let you know that I love you and I appreciate you for supporting this YouTube channel. I also want to let you know that for exclusive drops and early releases, go to patreon.com/ShyGotEm. That's patreon.com/ShyGotEm. The link is also in the description section. Let's get back to the video.
Break my arm, mother. You holding me too tight. He's holding me okay, but you gotta be. And you hurt. You squeezing my finger. Could you tell him to stop squeezing my finger?
Just stop resisting.
You know what? Y'all can kiss my ass. And you keep hurting me, I'm gonna spit in your face. Keep squeezing me, mother. I'm gonna spit in your face. What's up? Hold me so tight.
292, did you copy?
Piece of shit.
51 to
I've been vegetables since yesterday being in this mother. Your stupid mother escort me to the bus. You don't want me to go to New York where I live. You piece of shit.
Oscar 992.
If my arm is up, I'm pressing charge. I don't want to hold my shit tight like I'm a
12669.
none of y'all trying to help me. He's trying to break my arm. You're holding me.
I offered to try to help you.
Bill 292, copy.
I want none of y'all. Y'all can kiss my black ass.
Where do you want
Keep
this?
pulling my arm. Piece of shit.
287, can you repeat the location you would like him to respond to, please?
Got nothing better else to do. You bald head piece of shit. Mama huevo, coño.
Ma'am.
Mama huevo, déjame, coño, cabrón. Mama huevo, coño. Bésame el maldito culo, coño. De cabrón del diablo. Ahora que tú te mueres, cabrón, y te mata.
283, you were the one that advised, then can you repeat your traffic?
East Central to me. We're in the Lanside office. Can we have a female officer 56 with us? Reference
Let me go so I can sit.
10-4.
What, you gonna tussle me down? You know what? You're a piece of shit. You're a piece of shit, man. You piece of shit. Before I spit on your ass. Get out of
To
here.
an available female officer.
Yeah, that's.
Go ahead, hit me. Go ahead. Hit me.
We're done.
Hit me. Hit me. Hit me. Hit me.
That's another charge.
You balls?
I ain't spit on you.
Downstairs.
You holding my arm. You just stood.
Oh man, this is crazy. Look at this shit here. Oh wait, hold on. Hold on. Damn, the wig fell off. Ain't that something?
Before I spit on your ass. Get out of
To
here.
an available female officer.
Yeah, that's.
Go ahead, hit me. Go ahead. Go ahead. Hit me.
We're done.
Hit me. Hit me. Hit me. Hit me.
That's another charge.
So what? I ain't spit on you.
Downstairs.
You holding my arm. You just stood. You just over.
This video definitely getting demonetized. Too much cursing. It's over with.
Ma'am, you just spit on me.
So what, you mother? You trying to break my arm. You trying to hurt me.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are, mother. You been doing that all day. Trying to break my shoulder.
Downstairs.
Hey,
Stop holding my shoulder so hard.
just open this door. And the next one, please.
You trying to break my back, you piece of shit.
224 to 289.
That's why I spit on you. And I'll do it again.
Yo, this video definitely get demonetized, boy. So I know it. It's too much cursing going on. It's too much. Like, but hey, listen. Every video you ain't, whatever. I still enjoy the content. You know what I'm saying? I still enjoy the video. But yeah, this video is over with. I ain't gonna lie to you. It's over. The spit came out with such force that the wind from the spit, woof, through the wig back. You know what I'm saying? It came out so much force that the wind, threw the whole wig off, man. God damn, she bald, man. God, Lee, she bald, man.
Looking at.
Don't come 292.
I'm from New York. I ain't from here. They racist mother. I ain't gonna be there no more.
CBD officer at gate 2220 in reference to an A Juliet.
We ain't got nothing better to do. Black racist son of a. You gonna do shoot me?
4452.
Take some accountability.
Before I spit on you again, I swear to my mother, I'm gonna spit on you again. He's pressing on my shoulder.
Ma'am, I'm not pressing on your shoulder.
Yes, you are. You don't feel it. I feel it.
I'm not pressing.
Yes, you are. Yes,
Look,
you are.
I have my hand is open on your shoulder. I'm not
You was
pressing on your
pressing on
shoulder
it,
at
not
all.
now, but you was doing it before. You lied to me. That's why I spit in your face. Because all of y'all piece of shit. Comes to me are stealing. I did steal the fucking shoes because I ain't had no money, but I took them back in the store. Then they come. He come asking me, what did I do with this?
Third-party information coming from the veteran.
I got $100,000.
It'll be in reference to a Hispanic male, 5'11", green veteran hat, gray t-shirt, blue jeans, advised he was
We
single
spent
28.
galaxies on the B&B, and I'm getting ready to open a restaurant, so I'm going to have to deal with these.
No, that's a
The
purse. She
location
can take
given
her
would
purse.
be main terminal level. You're
She
I
already.
ain't gonna spit on you, miss. He deserved it. He was trying to break my
in
heart.
reference to the
I ain't
28
gonna spit on you,
alpha,
miss.
the phone cut out.
You put my
The
mask
only
on.
information
I ain't
that they
gonna
have is what they gave me, and that's what I'm relaying to you. They don't have a photo.
Man, they piece of shit. Especially the one that cheat on it.
You got her, Wendy?
285 copy lane 13 F09 out.
The woman was trespassed and charged with resisting arrest and battery on law enforcement. Thanks for watching.
Yo, it's crazy, man. This lady, listen, you could tell she from New York, man. Look, I'm in New York, man. Listen, I tell you, this is, listen, I'm telling you, New York is boy, New York is wild, boy. New York is wild. Like, that's all I can say. But no accountability. Let's go back to the racist thing. I mean, you got to take accountability for your actions. You know what I'm saying? You tried to steal, you got caught. That ain't got nothing to do with the cops being racist. That's you just caught up in your own stuff. And then you yelling, getting disorderly. Sound pretty cut and dry to me. That don't sound like a racist case. Anyway, I think the cops did a pretty good job, man. I'm giving them 4 out of 5. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and then I'm gonna catch you in the next video.